Hey guys, it's Hollywood Studios here. Today we are at Dollywood for a construction update on Big Bear Mountain, their new multi-launching family roller coaster opening next year in 2023. This is going to be a really big coaster. All the way over there is where there is a part of the ride, and it looks like it comes all the way down to this part of Wildwood Grove. We can already see footers in place for the ride. I forget which part of the ride this actually is down this way, but there's a lot going on down here. Of course, a lot of rubble, lots of land clearing, lots going on with Big Bear Mountain. You can see even more construction progress over here. There are absolutely tons of footers around here. You can actually see some dirt being moved over to the site for Big Bear Mountain on this end of Wildwood Grove right now. Nice big mound of dirt right there. From the animation, it may not seem like this coaster is really gonna be that big, but walking around Wildwood Grove and seeing where all the footers are, this is an absolutely huge project. This thing spans the entirety of Wildwood Grove. You can see track all the way down over there. So this is an absolutely just massive project. Some more footers and mark out back here behind the entrance to the Black Bear Trail. And you can see footers stretching all along the backside of the station for Black Bear Trail, all the way across here, all the way around. You can see more footers and land clearing over there. There's also some surveying being done, lots of markers, and there's people over here actively working right now. Hello. Some more shots of footers, trucks moving. They are hard at work on getting this ride ready. He's actually working on a footer right now. Back here we have our first look at the track and supports for Big Bear Mountain. Looks like this whole section over here is actively being worked on in terms of track work and support work. We can see some work being done over there, likely to move some dirt around. But I'm just amazed at how fast Dollywood has moved on this project. Another look at them preparing this footer over here. Here comes a dump truck, likely for dirt. Very active site here today at Dollywood. Look at all that track. Major action going on here at the Big Bear Mountain site. Looks like they may be looking to lower a piece of track into place. See, lots of track work has already been completed on the coaster. Looks like they may even be getting ready to hoist a piece of track right now. Looks like the track is getting ready to go up.
Looks like they rotated the track first.
They have the guy in the skylift already ready to load the piece of track into place once they lift it. goes. Even better view over here of the construction ongoing. That's going to do it for construction inside of Wildwood Grove. Obviously, we got to see a track piece lowered into place, and it looks like they're doing the final touches on that now, which was awesome to see. Just a quick add-on to the construction update. We came back over about 3 hours later, maybe a little later, and there's even more track in place now. Look at that. They are really moving fast with Big Bear Mountain. Looks great. They are still hard at work on Big Bear Mountain, even though it's getting later in the day. So who knows what else they'll accomplish today. If you guys enjoyed this update to Big Bear Mountain coming to Dollywood in 2023, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Lots has been getting done on this coaster, and I can't wait to follow its progress even more. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.